Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and today I am here with myself and my wonderful daughter. Here she is.
Today we're doing another Halloween confectionery baking, I don't know what this is video, and again, because we want to stay adjacent to being about dolls still, we have dolls still in the video. We're not completely removed from it.
Today we have the Freckles doll from the Unita Doll Company from the 1960s, and they're dressed as Batman and Robin.
Also, something I wanted to address that was displayed last time and may confuse our American viewers. You may see that we have combination Halloween and combination Thanksgiving decorations all around us. That's because we are in Canada and Thanksgiving is literally on Monday. It is on Monday. It is in the middle of October. So we Canadians tend to celebrate and display decorations for both Halloween and Thanksgiving together. Well, that's why. So today we are going to do another baking video. Well, actually the last one wasn't baking at all. It was more like, what was it? Putting Lego pieces togeter and gluing them to gluing.
Like they were no snap together.
Yeah, well this time we're actually baking. Like this is the real deal. I again wrote another script. As any normal, God-fearing people, we here at The Broken Doll do enjoy a delectable on a stick. Be it a corn dog, lollipop, or kebabs, enjoy watching our sanity slip into madness. Get ready, everybody, it's time for eyeball cake pops. Okay, so let's get started. Mom, you want to open this up?
Yeah. I'm like, oh yeah.
I'm gonna let you pour the liquids in,
All right.
and I'm gonna crack the eggs. That's the oil.
All right. I'll do the wet stuff.
Yep. Oh, that smells good. Woo!
Okay.
It smells really good.
So we're putting in 3/4 cups of water.
Go ahead, Mom. Dump it in. Woo! I got 3 whole eggs I gotta put in here.
And I'm putting in what is this?
That's half a cup of oil
Half a cup of Earl.
in a whole cup dish.
We should shake like a cat.
Like a white kitty. This is probably a bad idea. Oh gosh. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do like a little. Okay, I think that's about. Do you ever stab your eggs? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it on 1. I'm scared to open this. I'm scared. I hurt myself.
Yeah, I gotta be careful.
I hurt myself, and I'm afraid I'm gonna again hurt myself. Please be careful, Mom.
Yeah. I'm
scared. Ah! Oh my God. Okay, okay, we're good. We're good. Make room.
I can do this.
Just go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Go. Ah! Do the top. Oh! Okay, stop. Okay, we're good. We're good. So you gotta do halfway. Oh, that's a little more than halfway. Okay, this is difficult. Man, this fills up fast. Oh man, that one's gonna be a little messy, I think. Oh man. Cake pops are hard. Oh. There's not a lot of control, I'm telling you. There's no.
You're doing good.
Am I doing good?
Yeah.
Am I?
Yeah, you're doing
I feel like
right.
I'm doing a bad job. Okay, close the lid. Okay, we got a time. So in 5 minutes, you can take out the cake pops. This is my white kitty timer. So when the white kitty starts to scream, we'll know. So while this is baking, we are going to now move on to the next step of this. We have, just like last time, but this time white chocolate melting wafers. So, and again, we're going to use it in the microwave because it did a really good job last time, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
So we're just going to do it again. 30 seconds, by the way. Where's my little story? Some Crisco shortening to it, just a little bit, like maybe half a teaspoon maybe. So we'll get ready for that. Let's see if it's, nope. Oh no, these are not ready. These are not even close. Okay. Okay, so let's see if this is melted now. Nope. Not yet. Okay. Well, we got a little brown spot happening in our white chocolate wafers. I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. There we go. Whoa! It really is loosening. Whoa! That worked quick.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty smooth now.
So it's a little lumpy. A little. Oh my gosh! What is it? Okay, so here's our baby cake pops.
Yeah.
And I mean, they cooked for 4 minutes and 30 seconds about. I guess this is normal. Anyway, we got these are called cookie sticks, but they're the same thing as cake pop sticks. It was the only thing at Bulk Barn we could find.
Yes.
I do not want, and I'm not kidding right now. I do not want anyone making fun of this. It looks like I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a brick of cocaine. It's not. It's styrofoam duct taped together, and I poked holes in it, and it's gonna be your cake pop holder. Okay, so online it said to dip it in the icing first, and then you no, I'm gonna put it down. Okay, there you go. And then you dip it into your ball. So okay. Oh. Okay, and it makes like a
I want this one because it still looks like it's in part of the head yet.
Well, okay, that's not so bad. All right. Oh, that looks like Saturn, actually.
Yeah, you could do
It
the planets.
It looks like the rings of Saturn. Actually, okay, like the baby cake pop holder is working pretty well. Works pretty well, actually. Oh! Yay! You can see why you can't overfill, because you get kind of like a weird edge on these. All right, so now we must chill our baby cake pops for about 10 minutes, and then we can dip and decorate. So we'll see you in 10 minutes. So as these are chilling, we are going to go over our ingredients for our eyeballs. First of all, we have our unfortunately lumpy white melting chocolates. Very exciting. Then we have 3 different colors of icing gel writers. We got gold, we have red, and we have black. And finally, we have Smarties of all different colors. And this will be the iris of the eyeball. So, that'll be for fun selection. Okay, now we are ready to get started. I guess we'll put that off to the side. I'm not gonna move it out. Well, no, you know what, Tamara, I'm gonna move it out. So, this is how I saw it done on the internet. So you take your baby cake pop, and you dip it into the icing, and you just kind of like rock it, like this. And it'll eventually evenly coat your cake pop. Oh my gosh, this is so lumpy. Oh, ooh, okay.
Mine will be having a high decoration of pus in the eye. I don't want it to go around the whole thing.
Oh, careful.
There we go.
There we go.
There. Now the next one's how it falls suit. What you've been doing.
I don't think they're supposed to be this brown, are they? I don't. Oh my gosh. I'm really disappointed I messed up. So remember last time I was really quick to say, hey, doing this in the microwave is a bad idea.
That's a bad idea too.
So, but hey, that's the good thing of being an adult. Adult decisions, adult consequences.
That's fun. The only thing I'm finding is mine wants to pull off the stick.
I know, they kind of want to pull up the stick. I think I should have left them cooling longer. I think, okay, I don't think 10 minutes is good enough to cool. These are so awful.
They're supposed to be ghastly. They've been pulled out of the body of the dead.
If you were hoping for pretty eyeballs, you came to the wrong video. I messed up, everybody. Oh my god. Okay. Here are...
I think they look still pretty good. I don't know.
Here are the... These are so lumpy. Oh, this is not going well. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put these in the fridge to cool. And then the icing should harden. and then we can decorate. And oh, pray for us.
Actually,
Oh man. Okay, let's. Mom, you have any thoughts on these?
I think they look really like ghastly, and I don't mean ghastly I mean spooky way. I mean.
No, I think just
think-
ghastly worked pretty well.
They're from the dead. These are from the dead. They've been plucked out of the dead. So they're not supposed to
Like a
look,
week ago at this point.
Yeah. So they're
Yeah.
not supposed to
Not
look.
freshly plucked out,
That's
more
right.
like
These-
a week
yeah,
or
they've been
so.
sitting around and,
A year and some change.
They've been looking at each other for a while, so.
Yeah. So, give us about 10 more minutes and we'll get to decorating. Well, they're done. They're done. They are cooled down now, and they now have a white, lumpy icing
Gory
shell.
look.
Yeah,
They're
it's
gory.
well, you know. So now we're gonna start decorating these. So we have black, red, and gold for our. Again, I wish I had yellow.
Yeah.
We're getting a little Christmassy in here with the gold, and we have our Smarties irises. Now I was gonna do the eyeball. You're supposed to do them like on the side, but I'm just gonna do it in the middle. Oh, shoot! I forgot to shake it again. I forgot these come out kind of runny if you don't shake. So I got a blue one. We're gonna do a blue eye. Okay. Oh, okay. That went on. Okay. That went on all right, I think. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the shake. Oh my gosh, no, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, there you go. Oh, the black is much thicker. Okay, so you have to do like the, you know how they're, what is it called? The pupil?
People.
The pupil of the eye. Just gonna, there you go. There's the pupil.
Oh, that's starting to come more alive then.
Okay, and now we're gonna do bloodshot. I want, why is the red like this? So just some bloodshot eye. What? There we go. There's my
Oh,
eyeball.
yeah.
I did it. Okay, there's an eyeball. Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
Is put a little bit of a dot in the middle. There we go. It is a little bit on the runny side.
Yeah, I know. The red is awful.
I will use a pink eye. And then we're going to do some
A black pupil?
Okay, now the pupil's on there. Now we're going to just do a little bit of blood red on the eye itself.
Man, this Reddit does not behave. Maybe it's the brand? Do you think it's the brand?
Could be.
Also, these eyeballs are, like, photographing really yellow. They're very white in real life. I don't know why they look like that.
Now I'm going to go one step further, and I'm going to put a yellow pus because my eye has an infection. Okay, so
That's
that's
so gross. Ew.
I can get it out. Oh, gee.
Hold on, can you hold it completely, like, upside down? There you go. Yeah, try that. Maybe that'll...
Oh, that is doing it.
Yeah,
more.
okay, good. Work with gravity, I guess, is the...
Okay, there we go.
Oh my gosh.
A pussy eye.
That is so gross. I
Because
hate it.
My eye comes from a person that just didn't take care of their body.
So, you know, so far, well, not so far so good. I mean, it hasn't been that great, but, you know, we're doing the best we can, I guess. Whoa. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, another pussy eye.
And do green. I don't think I did green yet.
I'll do a green one too. I don't think I've done one
I haven't done yellow. The color of happiness.
yet. This red is acting better now.
Yeah, it's acting better now that we've used it, but that was hard. Here are our eyeball cake pops. Why do they look like that? You know, like, we did the best we could.
I think they look pretty
I don't
good.
even think well, okay, that's a lie. I did do doing the best I could would have been melting these over like the stove, right? Like, melting the white over the stove, and laziness prevailed. What do you think?
I think they look Beautiful.
Yeah, they look pretty good. For the tragedies that occurred, I think we pulled it off anyway. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this one, I guess.
I'm going for my pasty highball. Must be.
Oh, God, I hope this. I don't know, man. Oh,
Surprising.
actually, that's really nice and good. The K-pop came out really nice.
And so this is wonderful. You need to make these in your home. What a wonderful treat. Very quick, very easily. Didn't take a whole lot of time.
Oh, it wasn't quick though. It was kind of.
Well, what I'm saying is once you get decorating,
Yeah.
like, I know there's time in between that you gotta wait for it to harden and all that, but I mean, still, they're wonderful little treats.
Yeah, actually, even though I messed up the chocolate, it still tasted really
Yeah.
good. I don't know.
Yeah, I think they turned out really quick. They taste
So-
really well, like really good.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with them.
Yeah, me too. So
I
this
make
was
these
really
again.
fun.
It was a very fun treat to me. So make these at home if you find a baby cake pop maker in your thrift store, pick it up and make some of these. These are great for this time of the year.
Well, thanks for watching the video. This one was kind of up and down, but still a lot of fun.
Yes.
And we will be back again next Sunday with another upload. New set, because we'll have the Thanksgiving harvest blessings and stuff will be off the wall. And it'll be strictly Halloween. So that's pretty exciting.
And it's going to get scary in here.
Very scary. Yeah. So, everyone, thank you for watching. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. See you next Sunday.
Yes.